Alright then, boom bye bye, boom bye bye. Yo, General One podcast, over here, so Dino Soul reaction. So we get the best critiques and all them things there. So Govana drop a new video off him album. It's called Legacy. If you don't know it, go and check it out. The album is A1. Now this song I've already heard the song. I've never seen the video. So me and Uno right now, I go through the video, listen to the song, and I'll give an honest review about the video. Make we know if the video match the song or the song match the video, wherever you want to put it. So with that being said, I could jump in it, but before going further, like, comment, subscribe. I soon come. Go and go subscribe.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back. So I could jump in it right now, no? Make it look perfect. Alright, then everything good there. So watch you know, we are jumping at it, And we're not going, like we said, we're not going to be biased over here, so we're going to tell the truth. Who don't like it, so you go. But anyway, make we go, and if you don't go check out the previous video, I'm going to go and check them out after this. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, make we check it out. Hold on.
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, see it there.
Yeah, man, I legacy, you know. I like to the parent for set, you know. Yeah. From a legacy. So different, man, I really myself, I feel like me, a man, some who's related. Know me, I go live till me a 380. But then the chance that me no make it, they can cremate me and spread me in the ocean. I want my bond, but my mind, I'm so strong. Who know fi bury everything with them crown on. But when me youth, them off fi proud of them all, man. This is for my legacy.
Yo, pull up a song. Pull it up again.
Yeah.
Pull it up again. Now, when we say dancehall, that them thing we are talking about. This. Hold on. I them thing we are talking about, we say we want quality music.
Yeah. So different, man, I relate. Myself, I feel like me, a man, some who's related.
If you don't know who Mansa Musa be, I want to go look it up. And if you know the history, go and go look it up.
Know me, I go live till me a 380. But then the chance that me no make it, they can cremate me and spread me in the ocean. I want my bond, but my mind, I'm so strong. Who know fi bury every.
And if you don't know what they term me when him say when me dead and bury me when me dead and gone, when they burn me and spread me in the ocean, remember say our ancestors will come across, enough of them people jump off a ship, enough of them get thrown off board. So the ideology come from there. So who don't know, no you know.
With them crown on, but when me youth, them off fi proud of them all, man. This is for my legacy. Do it and make them see. The road did hard for me, but me be a bit for my family. And you never wait for help. So this generational wealth, it's
Yo, man say, man set the legacy for him kids them. You see me? Now cause you can't wait for help. Brother, that is a known fact. If you sit down and wait for people to help you, bro, you're not gonna reach now in your life. So you have to make sure, say, you put in the work for yourself. You have to make sure, say, bro, whatever you wanna do, put the work in. Put the work in. It might not happen same time. It might not happen the next year or 5 years from now. But bro, as long as you stay dedicated, bro, and put the work in, you're unstoppable. Remember say how far Govana come from. Govana come from Diablo days. Remember say Govana never either get no big forward. And now Govana is in an entity by himself. Yes, I don't bring him to the forefront of the dancehall, but I cannot deny the man work ethics. Big up to Govana. May I tell you, youth, big up.
my legacy. Street and make them see. Man murder if you don't full mind. And every lying tongue, me double up on my work and triple my income. Me used to listen to rock.
Bumbo clot, bury every doubtful mind. Second down in a hold on there. Me even hear what the man say properly. Me hear
And every lying tongue, me double up on my work and triple my income.
Man, you hear man say? Double up on my work and triple my income. Bury every doubtful mind and lying tongue. Double up on my work, triple up my income. Bumbo clot, I don't want to tell me say, no. This is music. The man over there so I sing bumbo clot, piss pan gal and them something there. Youth. Come take a leaf out of the book here.
We used to listen to rock, them when me lying down and ask such a when him tell me time will come. I mean I care if I storm or if I boiling sun. For the money me gone and take the car fling down. Baby mother said lad, him can't spoil him son. Who me sworn on a ball because the fighting done. And we never pre-limitation. Cause we know we tougher than every situation. Now it's a hillside me situate pan. I feel make me last name and name brand. For my legacy. Do it and make them see.
Hold on. I want to listen to this carefully.
Because the fighting him son. Who me sworn
I want to listen to this carefully. After him say, Mama Sonia, wipe your tears, because the hardship done. Listen to what man
on a
say.
ball because the fighting done. And we never pre-limitation. Cause we know we tougher than every situation.
Pause that. What the man say a while ago. We're not pre-limitation because we know we're tougher than every situation. See me? Don't limit yourself, get a youth. Don't limit yourself, youth on a whole. Don't limit yourself. Remember, say we are soldier. We're born. We're consciousness are the only thing we keep we in a puddle. See me? A failure. Because when you're not conscious about yourself and your work ethics, you can't reach it. You can't reach it, brother. Brother, we don't have no limitation, brother. The mind and body can go beyond. But guess what? We fail to understand, say, God didn't create with limitation, brother. You see me? Right now, if a man want to fly, a man can figure out how to fly. Always remember that, brother. Lyrics!
I feel make me last name and name brand. For my legacy. Do it and make them see. The road ain't hard for me. But me be a vid for my family. And we never wait for her. Set this generational wealth. For my legacy.
Yo, you know, say, me hear a bunch of man, like, sometimes the group where you're in, and the people you surround yourself with, it can determine who you're going to become. Not in all cases, but in most cases. And you hear some man say, oh, they want to get rich because they want the Hellcat, they want the Trackhawk, they want the Benz, the BMW. But you never hear a man really say, yo, I want wealthy, because you want your youths them to grow up and come into this world with a mindset for know say, yo, generational wealth is the way to go. I don't want to feel like so when you're rich and I drive Benz and I make a skate pan tool and them something there. Brother, that is not rich, brother. You see me? And Bob Marley is the perfect example of that. You see me? Life is rich. It is when you're really rich. That is wealth, brother. Your life, longevity, brother, is wealth. And generational wealth, you have to pass it down to the kids them. So you know, say your kids them, your grandkids them, your great grandkids them, and generation for come can live off fight. You see me? Brother, I them thing don't have to start brother. I'm glad so the man come out with a song where can portray that type of lifestyle. You see me? Something good in a dancehall. Finally. Something good. Something good.
Do it and make them see. Put your name on the covers of the magazine and the newspapers. I feel left my grand pitney with a few acres. Put up on the fire.
Alright, see there? I feel left my grand pitney with a few acres, brother. Man not even talk about him generational wealth, brother. Brother, I don't know if you listen when me talk, Tony, you know.
When Natasha you share know it might offend you, but me not too care to dog. Every get a youth savior. Don't know me story, them only if you a trailer. Same respect when you show to the rich, and the same respect if you get the show make a dance. You never know what tomorrow might bring. Look how the world grown to get a boy king. Me they tell us how we have to rise hard, work and sacrifice for my legacy.
Yeah, man, you know, do it for you,
Legacy,
you know.
legacy, yeah.
Yeah. Do it for your hometown.
For my legacy.
Yeah, my mama and papa proud, man, you hear that?
For my legacy.
You remember, you know, live on forever, you know, you hear that?
Yo, hold on there. Make we boom. Pause it. Alright. Honest opinion. I want you to leave in a comment down below and let me know what you think, you know. Because at the end of the day, we have to be very, very honest on this platform. Alright, one. The video. May I give the video, like the visuals, may I give a 10. And the reason I give it a 10 is because it brings you back into a more nostalgic or a more like cinematic type of like kind of visuals. See me? The song itself, I give it a 10. No more listen keenly. From the beginning of the song to the middle to the end, see me? The entire body of the song is bringing a positive message. I mean, not just give it a 10 because they bring a positive message, because you can tell when somebody actually sit down and recite the music, put good could a good production team in play and produce the song. The song is well put together, the video is well put together. We give it a 10 for all levels of this video. The video 10, song 10, message 10, and the mere fact say him bring him youth seminar, I like that. You see me? I like that. And it's not a matter of say yo, him a put him youth them in the spotlight, but him a show you say yo, a them in the video him a show you say yo, a them him a do it for. You see me? Him mother, him father, and all them people there, a them him a do it for. Him not do it for the clout, him not do it for the whatever, them him a do it for. You see me? And Govana come from far. You can't deny the fact that Govana is a hard-working artist, brother, because you have time when people count out Govana and say, no, I'm not going to make it. You see me? Him under eye down a shadow and this and this and that. And really and truly, I think him did ever under eye down a shadow. You see me? I just feel like it wasn't his time yet. You see me? And him change his name from Diablo. I don't want to leave no comment. I'm not leave no comment under this if I don't even know who Govana was before him be Govana, you know. See me? I don't want to no come here say, you know. So, yo, right now, comment down below and give me a Govana song. Not a Govana song, but a Diablo song. I don't want to look it up. I want to be honest. Right off I do. And put it in there. See me? Go. Comment down below and put that right now. If you don't know who Diablo is. Not Govana, you know. Diablo. So anyway, want to like, comment, and subscribe. Govana, big up yourself. The song is a hit. I actually heard the song before. But just the video and everything coming together, I give it a 10, bro. Like, I give it a 10. Like, if you listen to the song and watch the visual, you cannot deny it's a 10. I mean, I give it a 10 because I don't know Govana, my artist. You see me? I even like call the dog Govana. Diablo, brother. I still have a hard time I call the dog Govana because I Diablo. Me used to. But Govana, big up yourself. You see me? Don't know Strike Force, Fort Jenna, One Camp. Dog them just go and do them thing, brother. See me? I'm like how them man do them thing, brother. Them man make the negativity and the social media and the society people them, you know, like society get involved in them friendship and them something them. Not just relationship, why for that? But you get to me at all. So here me I say, like, comment, subscribe, and I soon the next one. Brrrp.